It is aura gazing time. It's week 3 and Friday. And today we're going to begin with our usual 3 minutes of fourfold breathing. And then we're going to go to 2 minutes of two-hand gazing, followed by 2 minutes of the eye movement gazing. Back to, 4 minutes of this, and then we'll back to 2 minutes of the two-hand gazing. Now, the reason we're doing the two-hand gazing today is that you can compare how much better it is to what it was at the beginning of the week. And the reason we're doing it before and after the eye movement chart is that way you can see what the improvements happen as a result of doing the eye movement chart or any of the other charts that we'll do in between, because the practice really does work in making it easier for you to see auras, to see that subtle energy. Sound good? So let's get started. You can close your eyes and we'll be doing the fourfold breathing. I choose to enter a relaxed state for gazing. Okay, continue your fourfold breathing, and let's do 2 minutes of two-hand gazing. I choose to see the energy connecting my fingers. Okay, continue your fourfold breathing, and we'll do 4 minutes of the eye movement chart. I choose to improve how my eyes work together and to quickly see light in color. Continue your fourfold breathing, and let's do 2 minutes of two-hand gazing. Okay, so how was that for you? What you might want to do this weekend is to do some more of the two-hand gazing. And before you do that, though, reread the manual, what Brian says about two-hand gazing, maybe even listen to the recordings again. It'll give you more insights as to what you can be doing and how to improve your ability to see the auras, especially what's going on between your fingers. Now, speaking of this weekend, get in some two-hand gazing, maybe some one-hand gazing, maybe some just regular gazing. So that's a good thing to imbibe with any of these types of things, especially the regular gazing. So you have just a couple of minutes, slip into a few rounds of the fourfold breathing, and then do some gazing. And you can even set timers on your phone to remind you to do that multiple times through the day. You can put it in your calendar, whatever you have to do in order to do it. Because the more that you do the practice, the better it's going to become for you for seeing auras. And I'm also going to be doing the 4 elements charts this weekend, and I'm going to be cycling through the 5 of them, the 4 elements plus spirit, 2 minutes of each. I'll start with a couple minutes of fourfold breathing, then I'll do 2 minutes of one, going through the whole thing for that. I'll do that probably on both Saturday and Sunday, and I'll get in one of the meditations. We got a lot of time to be able to do meditation since we're not out traveling around and doing that kind of stuff, so do get it in. Next week, we're going to be doing the light shift diagram. So dig it out. It's the one with the star. And read about it and listen to what Brian says on the audio programs. We're also going to be doing the dragon meditation next week, and we'll be gazing at people. So that'll be absolutely a lot of fun. Now, do you have your spice jar with you? Let's take a look at it. Read it. How much easier is it for you to focus in on what's on here now? Because that type's really small. I'm really, really happy with how quickly my eyes are able to focus now, as opposed to before when I would, I'd have to sit then it'd be focusing, but it's focusing fast. And then also, remember to be doing your chart every day. I sometimes forget until after I say goodbye to you. Whatever your name is, write it down, Pete. And have a wonderful day, a wonderful weekend. Get your gazing in this weekend, because remember, you want to be doing this at least 5 days a week. But if you can be doing it more than 5 days a week, all the more power to you. And Brian will be meeting with everybody who's been doing 5 days a week or more at the end of the program to help put everything into perspective and figure out what else we can be doing or what we can be doing next to take it to the next level. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye.